Hey guys, it's Rachelle. Today I want to show you how to create digital scrapbook paper. One way to make passive income is just by selling scrapbook paper. You can make your own scrapbook paper and your entire shop can be nothing but digital scrapbook paper. It's so simple to do, and what's great about digital scrapbook paper is you can use it to fill in your digital designs and still sell it as its own product. So let's get started and let me show you how. So we're going to keep it simple and just do basic polka dot. Go ahead and create a new image and do the blank canvas. Scrapbook paper is 3600 by 3600. So come over here and do the 3600 by 3600. And the way you can do that is if you divide it by 3, so 36 divided by 3 is 12. That's how you know how many inches it'll print up to. So in our previous video, we talked about how to make this a transparent design. You can go over here, click the little lock to convert it to a layer and then delete it. Or you can go over here and click this transparent check mark. All right, so we have a blank transparent background. Now we're going to go over here to the graphics and we're going to go to the basic design. You could just do a bunch of circles if you want to, or you can come down here and find a circle line right here and make this bigger. So that's a lot of circles. So I'm just going to flatten this design to make it a little bit smaller. But before that, I'm going to change this color to black. And then I'm going to right click, flatten the image. So once I have that, I'm going to duplicate this line again. As you notice, I'm not going to cut off the line because I don't want it to cut off any circles. That way when I move it, I don't have to go and add circles to it. So this one, I am going to bring it together and then pull it down. Now that I have that, I can go ahead and flatten these two. All right, so I'm going to find the center of the paper again, and then I'm going to duplicate this a few times and just fill in the papers. Again, I want the top to be cut off and even everything out. So why do I want to cut off the circles in half? It's so if a customer wants to line up multiple sheets of paper, it's a seamless design and creates a full circle. And once I have that, I'm going to select those 3, not the center one, just the 3 additional one. And that way I can drag it down right here and then make sure these are cut in half. I'm going to grab all these together and flatten one more time. So right click, flatten. Now if I go over here and click this bottom background that we made transparent, I can add a scrapbook paper to it and see the different colors. I can save it as individual colors and go ahead and put it up for sale. So out of the same design, I want to make bigger polka dots. So all I'm going to do is expand it to the size I want. And now I have larger polka dots. So I'm going to again right click this and I'm going to flatten the image. And again, if I want to individually make different scrapbook papers and save the backgrounds as I can even take this polka dot layer and change the colors of the polka dots to any color I want. Go ahead and save this with a transparent background. So why did we save it as a PNG file with a transparent background? If you only save it as the colors you're creating right now, there's going to be a customer in the future who's going to come to you and say, hey, I want gray polka dots with the pink background, but you didn't make that. So now you can come over here and upload your PNG file of the black polka dots, and then you can change the backgrounds to the pink and then go over here and select the polka dots and change that color to the gray that the customer wanted. So always save your work, every layer that you can, to make less work for you in the future. Now let's make medium polka dots and tiny polka dots, horizontal stripes and vertical stripes, diagonal stripes, and chevron stripes. So you have a customer request and they want pink glitter background with white polka dots. What are we going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to upload your polka dot PNG file and you're going to turn that instantly white. So come over here and just select the white. And then they want a pink glitter background. So you need to create a background image. All right, so right now we have a black image. It doesn't matter what color this image is right here. Go ahead and select this textures over here and look for the glitter right here. And they wanted pink glitter. So go ahead and do that pink glitter. And you can, this is the fade. It'll fade it to black all the way to pink. We want it all the way to pink. And then this does the saturation. We liked the saturation it was at. Scroll down and this does the size of the glitter. We like it high, but again, this is your personal preference. I want to see the glitter flakes, so we're gonna size it as far as we can, and then we're gonna hit apply. So there you go with the glitter polka dots. And now just save that as a PNG file. So if you want to get a bunch of different colors out really fast, all you have to do is come over here to the texture and you can apply this gold and save it, and then apply the silver and save it, the red, and just keep going on like that. And you can make a whole bunch of scrapbook designs all at once. Let's take this background and convert it into a layer. Grab that layer and we can work with the built-in graphics that PicMonkey has. For instance, if you just want to do 100% glitter scrapbook paper, you can come over here and you don't need anything on top of the glitter like the polka dots. You can just make glitter images and sell that. Here's some built-in foil designs that you can use. So I found a cute texture sheet that I want to use as my own, and it's this lemons one. I'm going to hit the apply, and that just means I selected it. And I'm going to go ahead and flatten it so I can edit it however I want to. You remember those PNG polka dots and stripes and chevrons that you made? We're going to take the polka dot and put it across it, and look how cute that is. And we can change the polka dot colors. Now we're going to go ahead and I want to show you how to change the colors. I don't want the yellow, so you go to the edits and come down here to the color changer. Pick the color you want to change, the yellow, and you can change it on that hue just by sliding it to the left or to the right, and adjust the saturation. And then if we go back and put the black PNG stripes over it and change those blacks to blue, look how pretty that is. Or the polka dot PNGs, I want to change to orange, and I have a unique scrapbook paper that was very easy to create. That's all I have for you today. Our next lesson, lesson 3, I'm going to show you how to use digital scrapbook paper to fill in a design. And I want to end with our pet of the day. This is my little Roxy girl. She is the queen of the household. Thank you for watching. Do your YouTube magic and click the notification bell and the thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.